The sounds we are going to practice in this video is the sounds in, should not, again, should not, shop, again, shop, shine, again, shine, shake, again, shake, shirt, again, shirt, shear, again, shear, sharp, again, sharp. What other words have the initial sound? Nation, again, nation. Anxious, again, anxious. Pressure, again, pressure. Flashlight, again, flashlight. Ocean, again, ocean. Lotion, again, lotion. What other words have the middle sound s? Brush, again, brush. Fish, again, fish. Push, again, push. Cash, again, cash. Dish, again, dish. English, again, English. Now, let's practice phrases with sounds. Ready? Flush the toilet. Again, flush the toilet. Wet starfish. Again, wet starfish. Wash with soap. Again, wash with soap. Now, let's practice sentence with the sounds. Ready? Put the dishes on the table. Again, put the dishes on the table. I want a strawberry milkshake. Again, I want a strawberry milkshake. She saw a mushroom in the grass. Again, she saw a mushroom in the grass. The sound we just practiced in this video is the sound S. I hope you enjoy our practice. Thank you for listening. Goodbye.